开始吧。Hello, my friend. Now I want to introduce you some of our microscope. The first one is the 3D microscope. It is a 3D. It is a microscope can 2D and 3D exchange. This is the lens of the microscope. 你转一下了。There is a 3D lens we can switch it and we can observe the PCB from different angles. And the magnification is from 20 times to 160 times. 放大一下，放大缩小一下。Now it's in 2D vision. Now we pull the lens out and switch the lens, and we can watch the objects from 360 degrees. And this is a camera with 4K resolution. This is a 4K camera. The image is very clear. And here is the software menu. We can also measure the object in 2D vision. And it only needs to control. We only need to control with a mouse.